black again. Sulfuric acid. If you pour that on your skin, it will burn through your flesh. Our skin, our cells are alkaline. Nature provides food, water, plants, fruits that are alkaline. When we ingest acids and put acids on our skin, we destroy our cells. Keep acid away from your system. Acidic foods, processed foods, acidic waters. Make sure everything you eat, drink, and even think is alkaline because acid does not belong in or on the body. If you pour sulfuric acid on the body, it will melt the skin. This is truth.